Okay, we are ready to finish our website project, and you should have open your instructions for Report 115-99. The final steps are to format the pages in our website. I recommend that you refer to the illustrations on pages 464 and 465, and I also highly recommend that you complete Lesson 115 in the Word Processing Manual starting on page 183. It illustrates some very important things that we'll be referring to in terms of themes and styles in formatting. Alright, the first step is to open within Word the following files, and we're going to do it from the instruction page that we already have open. So first of all, Report 111-87. And we're going to open the ribbons. And then we can open the others from here. Report 112-89. Report 113-91. And Report 114-95. I see that our instructions were wrong here, so I'm going to change that on the spot, and it will be correct in the files that you download. The next step is to apply a design theme, page background, and font colors to each page that coordinates with the picture at the top of each page. Alright, let's see how we can go about this. I think I'm going to move to navigate to the documents in a slightly different way since I'm using Windows 7. Okay, here we are on Report 111-87, our home page. And we're going to move to the Page Layout tab and look at Themes over on the left side of the ribbon. You can preview the effect that different themes will have by moving your mouse over the theme and watching the effect. I think I like Opulent best for now, so I'm going to choose that theme. And it is applied to this page. It did not apply a background, but you can see the other things that you can explore here in terms of colors, fonts, and effects. Next, I'm coming over to the Page Background group to apply a background color. And I think we'll do some previewing here to see if we can find a color that coordinates with the graphic. We don't have a set of greens here, so I'm going to go for more colors and check out what some of the greens might look like. I don't know, I tend to think that a white background would be very good for an informational website, but just for purposes of illustration, we'll apply a color. I'm going to go to each page that we have open and apply the same thing. The Page Layout tab, we're going to apply the Opulent theme, and then Page Background, I've got the color chosen already there on my menu, so apply that, save, move to the next one, Page Layout, Themes, Opulent, Page Color Background, whatever green that is, save, and on to the last one, Page Layout, Themes, Opulent, Background, Green. we're ready for step 3. We're going to move to each page and apply a heading 1 style to the virtual assistant title here at the top of the page. We have to move back to the Home tab. Our styles are in this area. You'll notice heading 1 has the colors of the opulent style. These will vary according to the theme, that you have chosen. We've lost the centering, so we'll put that back in. And notice it says to align the text, adjust the table as needed to position the picture and text attractively. I think we'll put another line above the contact information, and we can adjust the table size a little bit there to fit better. Alright, if I were doing this again, I might choose a different color, but for purposes of illustration, I think this is fine. You get the idea and how to change things. So we will go back and do the same, make the same changes to the other documents. I'll do one for you here, but it's not necessary to do all 4 for the video. Alright, the virtual assistant, Home tab, and we're applying heading 1, and then we're centering it. I'm going to add another blank line before our contact information and shorten the table. That's what should be done to each page. Ready for step 4? We're moving to the home page, which is Report 115-99-pt1. We're going to add a bullet to each item under each heading, beginning with word processing. In other words, we're making a list. So we're going to select the items under word processing and click bullets. And we're going to do the same in each cell. Now, this is up to you and your sense of design, but remember that standard business practice is to decrease the indent on a list like this so that they are over to the margin or with the paragraph style of the document. I think that looks better in this case, and I'm going to decrease the indent on these lists. That could have been done while each was selected earlier. Okay, and then we're going to apply a heading 3 style to each heading that is a hyperlink. So we go back up here, find heading 3. It's not making a big difference in appearance, but notice it is changing the spacing a bit. All right, and that completes that step.